Hi buddies, Tea Time Gal, and welcome back to another video. It's Temu time! We've got another Temu haul today for you, and it's a small haul, and it's bling for my car again. So this is, I think I've got just about everything I need for bling for my car. So we're going to check it all out, and we're going to see what we have in store today. So, again, I'm not affiliated with Temu in any way, shape, or form. But I have bought everything with my own money, so you're going to get an honest review on everything right here and right now. I do not have a coupon code for you, but if you search in the Temu or in the Google bar for promo codes for Temu, you'll find 20 to 30% off your first time order with Temu. If you continue to order through Temu, you'll get coupon codes, discounts, lightning deals, emails, everything slew sent to you for discounts and coupons and promo codes off of future orders through Temu. So stick with them. They're really worth it. They've got all kinds of flash deals and things, and they're always having sales, so it's really worth it. And their customer service is top notch. I've had issues in the past with them and called up customer service, and they've always set me right and straight, and I've never had any more, they were always really great. So with that, we'll get with the haul. And first up, we have, those handlebars on the sides of your car where you grab onto in case there's like an old crap moment? Well, I've got little bling, and they are Velcro, and they attach to those little bars. And I have a total of 4 of them because I have 4 in my car. Some cars only have 2 in the front, in the passenger and the driver's side, but I have them in the back of my car as well. So I have a total of 4 of them. And they were $2.28 a piece. Moving on, I took out my cigarette lighter, little thing you plug in and it lights up and you light your cigarette with it. I took it out to put in a charger, and I lost it. So I don't know where it went. So I ordered me a new one. And this one has a little ball on the end of it. And the ball is 25 millimeters big, round, and it plugs into your cigarette lighter and lights up. And I'm assuming it works. I have not put it in the car to see if it works yet, but that was really cool, and it matches the bling in my car, and it was $3.38 for that. Then we have, I bought a total of 4 of these because you have 2 on each seat, and these are little clips that you hook onto your rest, your headrest, and they hang on to the back of the car, the back of the seat of the car, and you can hang grocery bags, you can hang different things, a little garbage bag or whatever onto it, and it sits right there. And I thought that was really pretty. And I bought a total of 4 of these. They came in a 2-pack. 2 of them were $2.58. So it's $2.58 for a 2-pack, and I bought 2 packs, which equal 4. Then in my other haul, I showed you I had 1 of these, and I bought 3 more, so I have a total of 4 of them now. And it's a little button gizmo that you can hang a mask on, you can hang sunglasses on, you can hang a treat bag, you can hang a garbage bag, you can hang anything on it really. And it's self-adhesive on the back, self-adhesive, and you stick it on your dash, you can stick it on the side of your car door, you can stick it on anywhere really. And it was 68 cents a piece, and I bought a total of 3 more, so I have 4. And those were cool. Then we have these self-adhesive. Oh, wow. That's got a strong glue smell to it, people. Woo! That is really strong. Ooh. Holy Toledo. Okay. Wow, that'll knock you out from across the room. They are these butterfly appliques that are rhinestone, and they're sticky. I assume they're sticky. Yeah, they're sticky. Yeah, they're sticky. They're sticky back. And they're little butterflies. Now, on the picture of the thing, it showed that you would get too small and too big, but I'm seeing that they're all the same size. So that's kind of a bummer. I was hoping for too small and too big, but they're all the same size. And you get 4 little butterfly appliques. 4 little butterfly appliques. And they're really pretty and they sparkle really well. I think they're going to look beautiful in the sunlight in the car. And they were $3.48 for 4 butterflies. And I thought about putting them on the inside of the car, and I thought about putting them on the outside of the car. So I ordered a total of 2 packages, so I have 8 butterflies. So I have 8 butterflies. And then I also ordered for $1.88, I got doggy paw prints that are the same thing. They're little, they're individual. You have to put them on separately. They're individual paw prints. Oh, wow, these have a strong glue smell too. Wow. See, the little paw print is separate from the pads. I'll get them out of here. See, the little pads are separate. You have to like assemble it. You have to assemble it. You have to assemble the little pad, the little paw print on your car. And it is sticky self-adhesive as well. And there were 2-pack for $1.88. And I bought a total of 2 of them. So I have 4 puppy paw prints. And I thought that I would put them inside and outside the car as well. So I thought that was kind of cute. So that was the haul, people. So leave a comment down below what you thought was the most interesting or your favorite item for today. And everything else. So that was really good. Trying to put everything back in the bags. So I don't lose these little stickers. I don't want to lose these little stickers. Don't want to lose little stickers, people. Okay, so there we go. So thanks a lot for sticking around and viewing my haul today. Again, the giveaway is still underway. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a diamond painting giveaway where I give away 3 diamond paintings and a welcome kit to a male and a female on the channel. Go to Who's Ready for a Giveaway video on this channel and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment on that video and be living in the United States, Hawaii, or Alaska, and you will be in the giveaway. And when I reach 100 subscribers, I will randomly pick a male and a female, and they will receive the kit, the 3 diamond paintings and the welcome kit. So good luck to you on the giveaway, and thanks a lot, and we'll catch you on the flip side.